At home, I thought I pressed record.
So if you turn on the modified box plot, that'll show you if you have outliers. It'll show them as exactly. Now when you press graph, there it is. There it is. So, and this tells us there is only one set of outliers in our data set. It's that 55. It's you guys at 55s out there. Now, the reason why the modified box plot is nice is because before you had this big long whisker, but you weren't entirely sure which data points were in here. When you make it modified, it shows the next data point down. I think it was 25. I think it was maybe Don, 25. Oh, it was Jen, 25. It means that you're well within the IQR stack. But you don't know that until you take out the full whisker and replace it with the outlier in the next one down. You could have more. If somebody else had a 54 or a 53, you could also have that on there as well. So, makes sense? Is that fair? See, we're getting out of here, friends. Good, maybe. So, is anybody? I'm totally happy going with that ID method. So we found the outliers, and the outliers are the 55s. Yes. Should we go back with outlier ID method number 1? I think it's silly to do that. That's not a bell curve. Not even close to it. It's highly skewed, as a matter of fact. Which I kind of thought it was going to be based on where I think people come from, which obviously is some come from very far away, and quite a few don't. Which I guess makes sense. Sean, yeah?
So then you're just saying that you can try to ever find outliers and always think of a bottom whisker graph and then turn on.
That is a default way, right? Probably the easiest way is just to go straight to a box of whisker. That way you don't have to go through the filter of if it's bell-shaped or not. If it's not bell-shaped, what the hell, this works too. Yeah, but the thing is, I show you both because both are used. That's all. And you'll see more about why the first way is used more frequently when data always becomes bell-shaped, which is like week 10 of this course.
And the bell-shaped will on all of Instagram, right?
What's interesting is a bell-shaped data set, the box plot of a bell-shaped data set has a pretty standard look too. It's centered, it's symmetric, the whiskers are pretty narrow compared to the middle box. Like if you're interested, I can tell you in class, but yeah, we're gonna go to class and we'll show you where they live. Eric, go ahead, answer that question.
I don't know if that's what you just asked. Can you do the box plot without the history?
Totally. You can just, now watch this. If you're in here, just press the Y equals button, just the Y equals by itself. You see how plot 1 and plot 2 are both highlighted? From here, you can turn a plot off by going up and then pressing enter. So if I press enter on plot 1, the histogram is now off. And now if I press graph, I'll just get the box plot. Or you can turn the box plot off the histogram on for sure.
But you don't know what the outlier is without this.
It kind of, you've lost that without tracing. And that's the thing where having them both together with a scale is key. That's why your Casio is something better because it gives you a scale. And Excel's the best because it gives us everything. But we can't carry that around with us. Fair, friends? So there you go. That's the world of outliers. Thursday, we'll begin the back half of the course, which is fusing probability with statistics. So make sure you do a project for that, yes? That'll give you a nice springboard into Thursday. Thank you! What's up, man? What's up, man?
You want the shot?
Oh, please, that'd be great, Omar. Thank you. At least